Hi everyone, it's Matthew and this is our fourth strategy for today, 6th of December 2025. So here we're going to drop a quick one again. We're going to be trading Volatility 51x, touch no touch, and we're using the detrended price oscillator indicator. Log into your account, go to V51x, go to the indicator, click on detrended price oscillator. It's going to show below here. Go to the trade type, touch no touch, set the duration to minutes, 7 minutes, set the barrier offset to minus 65.01. We're going to be trading the touch. Once this indicator is dropping down, this down indicator, it has to be dropping down, then we'll click on touch. Just watch. Once it's pushing right down, you'll see it's pushing right down, it's going back up again. We're watching this one. Okay, so we click on touch right there, and let's wait for the outcome of that trade. So you can see we won that trade there, we made 5.29. So you can go on and on and on, just watch carefully before you trade. Make sure it's going right down. So for those who haven't gotten our indicators and trading bots, the TOS Skipper bot and the Pips Super bot, still effective. Check the video description on YouTube. You also get some gifts when you order any of the bots. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels. The buy sell indicator as well, we're still giving it away for free. It works on Deriv MT5, broker platform, and other trading platform that support MT5. You can use it to trade your volatility index, your crash and boom, your Forex pairs as well. We're giving it away for free. Just attach it to your chart. It shows you when to buy and when to sell. Check the video description on YouTube to get all these. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account, and the links to sign up to subscribe to our channels are also there in the video description on YouTube. All the other infos as well to get the indicator, to get the bots, they're all there in the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.